Whether you are doing a little bit of exploration or you're just commuting and you want some comfortable, warm and dry clothing, the Merlin Explorer range is a great option to look at. They've got a few different things going on there, lots of different jackets, some gloves and some trousers, as we can see here. These are the Merlin Mahala trousers. They've been tested to the same extent as the jackets, in as much as the boys over at Merlin took them out on a trip to Scotland to product test them. They found out some things they liked, some things they didn't like. They came back and tweaked it and improved it, and we have the final version with us here. These trousers pair brilliantly with any of the Explorer range jackets. They also pair with any other Merlin waterproof jacket that has a zip attachment, so you can actually attach your trousers to your jacket, therefore blocking out any unnecessary airflow, making you more comfortable and obviously offering a bit more safety as well, so the jacket and trousers don't separate if you are to come off the bike. Let's start as always though with the price. These come in at £249.99, which is a brilliant price considering all of the functionality and the competency you get with these trousers. As I say, they will keep you warm and dry. They do that thanks to a variety of different things, starting with the fabric on the outside. These are Cordura trousers. They also have a DWR treatment to that Cordura outer, which makes them water repellent. So the water isn't going to sit there on the trousers too long. It's not going to have a chance to get beyond that, hopefully. If it does, it's going to be blocked by a Riso waterproof membrane, therefore making these fully waterproof, as I say. To keep you warm, you have a removable liner. You can take that out if you want to. It's a 125 gram thermal liner. On the inside, it just zips straight out. Very easy to do, but obviously that's going to add to the warmth in the winter. In the summer or the warmer months, if you want to take that out, you've also got venting on your legs at your thighs, so you can unzip that and allow a bit of airflow through to the trousers as well. On the subject of safety, these are CE approved, nice and safe therefore. They also come with armour included. That is D3O level 1 armour at your knees and your hips. And if you're having trouble matching this colour with any of your jackets, they come in a variety of different colours. They come in either the black, black olive or black sand. I like the black olive and black sand. I quite like the fact that it is differentiated with the rest of the black accents and details on it. If you want some plain black trousers, maybe that's a bit easier to match with the rest of your clothing options. But either way, I'm sure you'll find a colour you like. There are a couple of details to point out as you go around them though. You've got these stretchy sections just above your knees for flexibility, a bit of increased movement when you're in them. Obviously on the bike you need a bit of flexibility around your knees. You've got these leather sections on the inside of your calves. You've also got a grippier section. If I just spin this guy around, you can see between your legs there to make it a little bit grippier on the seat and obviously stop you moving around too much whilst you're on there. You've also got a Merlin logo just at the top at the base of your back. You've also got elasticated sections around your waist to tighten it in, cinch it in as you require to get a comfortable fit. You've got sections around the bottom of your legs as well, just to tighten that in. You'll want to put these over the top of your boots most likely, and obviously you can just tighten it around your boots as you need. You've also got zips at the bottom to make it a little bit easier when you are getting over your boots. At the top of the waist, it fastens via the Merlin embossed snaps, and you've got a big chunky zip on the inside there, and you've got a pocket on your right thigh if you need anything for storage. That's all of the practicalities out of the way, but let's find out whether or not I like these trousers. Yes, I do, just in case you're interested. Trying them on before, when we're talking about fit and size, these are very comfortable. They are a little bit tougher than you'll find with some other trousers. Not that much tougher than you'll find with any other winter trousers, because they are obviously bulky and they need to be slightly more bulky if you're going to wear these in colder climates. But they're really comfortable moving around, and it's a really nice fit. Hard for me to say exactly what it's going to be like fitting you. These are a sample, but it is a medium, and the medium actually fits me pretty well. In fact, very well, first trying them on. I'm generally a medium in a lot of things. I'm also a 32-inch waist, just in case you're wondering. But as I say, really nice and comfortable on. Decent amount of flexibility as well, not restrictive at all when you're moving around. If you're at all unsure about sizing though, obviously we have that in-depth size guide on the website, which we'll keep up to date. So check that for the most accurate information when you're coming to buy these. It is going to depend a little bit though on your preferred usage with these. And what I mean by that is you might want to put these over the top of other trousers if you want to take them off when you get to your location, so you look a little bit more casual. Or you might just want to wear them by themselves with nothing, nothing underneath. Underwear underneath would be recommended, but it's up to you. Or you might want to wear them just by themselves, in which case obviously size a little bit closer to your regular size. And in my opinion, they do look good enough that you could walk around off the bike and still look good. Obviously, specifically these are designed to match the Mahala jacket, but they go really well with any of Merlin's range. Great price as well, £249.99 like I say, and loads of functionality. A really good pair of trousers, definitely worth your attention. If you want to check them out for yourselves, follow the links in the description, drop your questions and comments down below as you do normally, and for more of the world's finest riding gear, stay tuned to Urban Rider. Thank you.